inesmell ngena lasekuseni lifike vele la drop her bag next to me. Wangicheka. Mega cheka wathi no. This is not a head. This is the bumps. Athi lutho uyaphila. Okay. Uyaphila mara. Inyawo zakhe azimilanga kahle. It azimilanga kahle. Umntana was using the toilet to the sink to her maneuver. Ahlale sithini.
Do join.
Sanibonani Dumelang, hello. Bonjo, igama uZandi sibonga umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kaluwelo lwezikwanani zona ezihambela le kude phezulu. We are coming back to you with another episode, another educational episode. I hope ukuthi kwaya namhlanje baningi abazosizakala because ngiyazi ukuthi esikhathini esiningi izimo ezifana nalezi i-guest yethu ezositshela ngazo today abantu bayazifihla. Mangiku stress lokho bayazifihla izimo ezifana nalezi esizokhuluma ngazo today. Ningabafihli abantwana sizozwa khona manje ukuthi sikhuluma ngani. Kodwa ke before sifike lapho ngicela nje ungenzele kanje. Like nje ungakobuki boso uya subscribe. Down below your button is written subscribe. And then once you click on it, it will change and say subscribed. With it nokusho ukuthi ke usuyilunga la ekhaya. Ungakhohlwa ke ukuthena on i-notification bell so that ke mangabe si-uploada ungekuphuthelwe into esiyifakayo, and then ungasipha ke nama channel members nama super thanks ungajoina futhi ube a channel member ukuze uthole our exclusive content. Merchandise is coming. Exclusive deals for channel members is also coming. Okukhulu kunako konke ukuthi Durban July is also coming, so I am dressed by the Masters Clothing. If you are in Joburg and you want to get hold of them, I will pin all their details on the description box down below. Kodwa ke bayatholakala on the corner of Troy and Albertina Sisulu Streets in Johannesburg, right in front of Rea Vaya Station number 127. That is where they are located. They do all things called fashion. You are graduating, we are shata. Durban July, everything, anything. You can bring your own design, but you keep anje injango binjalo. So make sure that you get hold of them. If you want to come down to Durban and experience the Durban July, and you are in Joburg, you want somebody who's going to hook you up with a beautiful dress that is matching the theme of the day. Okay. So what sis?
Sawubona sis.
It's
alright, man, just like fun.
Guess I don't know, yes guys, lo muntu udlala ngami ujwayele ukukhuluma kuma events are prestigious.
Usudlala ngami.
Mara uzothi sokhuluma kwi podcast sisoyithu.
Ha ujabule. Ngasho ngithi uvalo uhlangene nokujabula. Definitely.
Alright God.
Ngiyaphila mama, ngaboza wena.
Ngiyaphila nami yaphila intokozo wethu.
Ha, untokozo yazi ungijele inizolo. I bought her something yesterday. Like yabona mohambo uthenge down nje. I saw something that she would like, so I bought something for her. So she says to me, Izola, so ma'am, njengoba ngithengile present and kusondele Women's Month. That means
Women's Month.
It's a Women's Month present for me. I was like, my goodness. Because I'm a woman, mom. I'm like, oh my goodness.
Women's Month.
Sesifike lapho nje kuqala. Sesifike lapho ku woman ngithi no, usazo celebrate youth month when ungajahi ngapha ku woman.
Hey, I'm telling you. Ngicela ubingelela ababukela emakhaya ubatshela ukuthi sihleli nobani.
Sanibonani, ninjani? I don't know where to look.
That's camera for you.
Okay, thank you so much. Sanibonani emakhaya ninjani? Igama lami ubavelile wakandaba. Isibongo ngihlala lana eMaphupheni eDaveyton representing iVutha. Ngiyabonga.
Uzosichazela ukuthi yini iVutha? Siyazithanda indaba. Asikwazi ukuthi zisece sikhona.
IVutha phela it's like slogan sase Daveyton nje nokuthi iyavutha. Ihlezi neindaba
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Makantokozo. Mina ngikwazi ngontokozo.
Yeah.
Lo silethela namhlanje.
Yeah.
Uyaphila intodo.
Because we are phile, as I've said, just uhlezi ayisimangaliso njena njengoba ngisho ukuthi when I come back home njena kumele abe na something nje azongichaza ngayo, azongishokha ngayo, engizohleka ngayo nje endlini. So uyaphila mama.
Health was all right.
Health wise she is doing great, hey.
She's an amazing child.
She's
that one.
amazing soul, should I say.
Mara Ntonto, siyahlangana a couple of last year.
Yeah.
To be precise, sometime last year, I can't remember. Siyahlangana sihlanganiswa uye uNtokozo.
Yeah.
Ngicela usithathe usibeke from the time you were pregnant with uNtokozo. What was special that has even ended up her being a special child that she is today?
Yeah, Ntokozo, she is my second child. So I have my first child, Mthokozisi. Then I was pregnant with Ntokozo 7 years later after that. Ntokozo, should I say, journey yami throughout my pregnancy, it was a normal pregnancy. Bekungekho lutho ngathi maybe kuhlukile ngaphandle nje na kwama ngathini, the nausea, the vomiting. That was only the problem. Ngaphandle kwalokho njena, there was nothing out of the ordinary.
Okay.
And even when I went to the doctor, the scans, just in general scans, she was not showing because I was funubona ukuthi is a girl, it's a boy. That's the first thing as mothers, not knowing or not realizing ukuthi there's a problem with umntana. So the only thing I just wanted to find out, no, I just wanted to know if it's a pink or must I buy blue. Phela. Ngaphandle kwalokho, I don't think there was any issues at that time until I had find out ukuthi kahle sengidlule 9 months. Mengithola ukuthi sengidlule 9 months, I was very like, you know what, it's maybe my pregnancy's job abasho they're different.
Yeah.
Maybe not this one, it's different. So let me just hang on in Mbone because I did not feel any discomfort. I did not feel any pain. My belly was the same as my first pregnancy, not too big, not too small. Ngasho njena ukuthi yonke into njena, it was running smooth until I gave birth. So I remember the day ngizoqala my contractions, it was about 4 a.m. in the morning. So I was like, you know what? Okay, it's time. Siyavuka endlini, vusa my firstborn and vusa baba sendlini. It's time now. I can feel my contraction, they are getting stronger. So you know what? Being the good parent I am, it's aqala hambe esikolweni ubhuti omdala. Transport years avele manje seseduzana u5 years shy. Lungise my firstborn, lungise agcoke ageze, lungise while I'm still having contractions at that time. But everything was just fine. Lungise ibag yami was already ready at that time. Ngilungise umfana hambe transport imlanda nathi ngene emotweni sihambe se clinic. As I arrived at clinic, I remember one of the staff members, it's my husband's cousin. So at least he attended to us. Everything was fine, but bekshintshwa staff at that time ngoba bengene sasekuseni. So habaza abantu mase bajahela ukuphuma, bajahela ukuhamba. So kwaba njena into engathi no khona ozongena manje bazoku-attenda manje, but kwaba no this one nesobe nomahawu nje wasala nami. So but bakaloku abuya kimi athi kimi man khona into engayi-understand, ngimangala ukuthi yini lento engayi-understand. So at that time man, panic, I don't say I was panicking, but I was confused ukuthi yini le angayi-understand yena. Lithi inesmell ngena la sekuseni, lifike vele la drop her bag next to me. Wangicheck. Mega check, what you know. This is not a head. This is the bumps. I was like, yo.
Uza ngezinqa umntana.
Uza ngezinqa.
Yo.
Ngamangala ngathi hayibo kanjani. So wathi yazini into sokucela yona because manje you are 8 centimeters already. and you are pulling very fast because it's already 8 o'clock. But manje also 8 centimeters already. That means you're gonna have this baby anytime soon. So Stella njena ukuthi zama at all means ukuthi umntana mekaphuma when you pull her back. So yeah, there was an ambulance that came. Bafika bangichecka. Kwamele ukuthi ngihambe vele azange vele kusalindwa next because it was rush hour because manje we had to kusisifica manje esibhedlela masinga. Ambulance ngithathe sambe. Mesambe endleleni the nurses with me like la uyasho nje ukuthi zama ukubreathe ubuyisela umntana emuva.
Sure.
By all means. Otherwise you and me are in big trouble. I was like, okay, I must listen and obey kena la. Ayikho into engizoyenza, angiyazi lento engiyenzayo, angeke ngitsonge umpetha. Sifike esibhedlela, mesifike esibhedlela nakhona there was a lady, I think she was scheduled for a operation at that time. Kwakhishwa yena, kafakwa mina. The way ngibona ngakhona ukuthi it's do or die, kahle kahle. Ngisayinwa ama consent form khona lapha endleleni. So as I reached the bed, a operation room, there was 2 doctors, a male and a female. So the female one, I remember her, she did epidural on me. And against epidural, my legs didn't go numb. So she was like, yeah, you're going to feel your legs are going to go numb in a few seconds, what. She explained what was going to happen to me. But ngicakekile mase ngibheka ngithi hayibo. Ngokuthi sengizoba nami, kwenze njani ke namanje ngingabi nami. Ngithi hayi man, ngiphawule noma ngithule. Hayi kube nento iphawula girl, otherwise uzazithola usenkingeni phela manje bazakusika kanti uyizozwa yonke into. Ngithi yazini ngikhulume ngithi hayi man, I can still feel my legs. I can still feel the contractions as well. And babugan, bano dogs. And the male doctor was like to her, okay, fine. If this is not going on right now, kuzomele seku plan B. Ngithule, babheke, plan B. Plan B umuphi manje loyo? Ngoba basangishela. Beza sebeze nemask sebazonyenza local anesthetic.
Akuthi
Bangilalisa
i-local le kubulala wonke umzimba manje ngoba le ka halfway ihlulekile.
So njengoba vele umntana bathuza ngiyiboni kanjena ngicabanga ukuthi yazini umntana is at risk right now. So and vele babatshelile vele nabo mebafika lena singize nalo ngeambulance ukuthi umntana is breech. So by all means, Melanie imkhiphe because vele she's dilated. She's fully dilated by now. So bangilalise, I was under the gas, counted to 3, I was already gone. I remember the time mebangvusa. At that time it was 9:30. Mebangvusa around 2:11. But she gave me. I remember another nurse came in. I didn't know her. I didn't see her from all the other nurses bebala phana bang attend. But she gave me, I'm so sorry. Ngiqale ke namanje ngishaya uvalo ngoba angiyibona ingane. Angizwanga lutho, angibonanga next. Mina I was in another world.
Yes.
I'm so sorry, but athi ngayibeka kanjani. Ngithule, ngithi angusami, hambile ingane yami. Athi lutho uyaphila. Okay. Uyaphila mara inyawo zakhe azimilanga kahle. It azimilanga kahle. So I'm still under medication. Usadakiwe. Ang understand nalento ayishoyo and then akakhona ukuyichaza kimi ukuthi ngiunderstand. Wavela wathi kimi man, her feet did not form properly. So ngapha nyawo lakhe njena completely alikho. Ngapha lizamile uforma mara lihlulekile alibona ukuhlulekile but she has 2 toes. I was like 2 toes. I just imagined those 2 toes in my eyes. Kuthi yo, okay. What to from now? Okay, fine. I was still at the hospital at that time. Kufika uma wami ne-cousin yami yaseNatal. Bafike bazongibona, bajabulile. Bajabulile, bangithole. Ngiyababona mebaqhamuka. Angazi manje ukuthi ngizothini kubo. Because abazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Okay, fine. I had to break the news to them at that time. Ngapha, I'm still a bit drowsy and now I'm still in shock. Mebafika bangibuza, mntana unjani ni? Ntombazane, umfana. Because we were betting, besine bet. Mina bengithi umfana bona bebathi intombazane. So my mother and my cousin were okay, uba intombazane umfana ngithi intombazane. Sishilo. And yalazi ithe kunomsindo kanjani. Sishilo ngikutshelile ngathi kuzoba intombazane. And remarkably cousin yami esho kaSom besicabana mina naye a few weeks back silwela ingubo. Akhamenzi sifuna ukuthenga ingubo. So ngikhombe pink ngimkhombe blue. Utha thenga le. Ngitha ngithenga le. Atha kana mawuzothenga le ngcono siyeke. Usisi usithumile phela uthe ngithengile ingubo. Manje kana soyenza kanjani? Ngithi okay kunosithenga iblue na iyellow la. Ngcono iyellow mntasa ngoba angeke ngithenge ipink yakho mina. Mangaba kusintombi le ngiyiphume esibhedlela nengubo epink kumfana ngathi lutho. Ngikwenze nje lokho. Yazi kwaba nesimanga. I still remember this lady till today. I still remember her face but angimazi. Khona omunye sisi eceleni kwethi bekaphusha itrolley naye athenga eceda ukuthenga ingubo. Wase ufuna yiphi? Ngajika ngambuka. Ngathi hayi bengifuna le. Athi ithathe. Ngihambe ngiyoyithatha ingubo. Ayithenge anginike.
Wow.
Angimazi akangazi. Saqala ukubonana eshop. That ayingazi it was a sign from somewhere. Okay, man, you know what? This child is going to be special. You know, mekufika la lekufika leyo picture lo sisi kimi, yeah, like tears rolled down my eyes. I'm like, Mom, umntwana akekho right. Umntwana kana inyawo. Cousin nami vele ibamba ikhanda ethi kanjani. Mama mathi hayi unamanga umbonanga. Ngithi bangitshelile. Ingane ayinanyawo. At that time ngiceda ukusikwa I can't move. I can't go see her. Umama is not allowed. Only ubaba umntana is allowed. Mekabuya naye kumbona umntana uyambona ukuthi yakhala but yena ucabanga ukuthi angazi. Nami ngicabanga ukuthi akazi. And sekangitshela ukuthi uzoya kubona umntana before uzobona mina. But ngiyambona ukuthi bekakhala mehlabofu. Sekambonile umntana sekayang explainela ke ukuthi umntana ngeke ahambe. That's the first word I ashile ukimi ukuthi umntana ethi ngeke ahambe. Into engiyibone lapha yana angazi ngizothini. But umntana ngeke ahamba kana nyawo. Ngivele ngithukwe. Ngithi yazini angazi anginamazwi nami ngizothini kini nami angazi ngizothini because angikakamboni. But if ngathola ichance nje yokumbona because at the ward le bengikhona I was at mother and child so abantu bahleli nabantwana mina ngihlelanga nomntwana. And at that time because of stress and anxiety nami myself besingekho right. Bengilong fainta papa mama nesawalana ukuthi afike nini sangifaka ama drips angifake ini ayangiphaphamisa ayangivusa. Yeah, it was just that but that only happened only ekhaya mase bahambile. Meba khona I try ukuthi ngibe strong. Hlale nabo ngicoce nabo. Nami bangizama batshela ukuthi kenzakalani. Yeah, I tried to stay strong but it hit me I think good day 3 mase ngiyobona umntwana. The first time I saw her was go high care. Meba yongibonisa yena. But it's a baby girl. yeah, then do you want to hold her? Do you want to? I didn't know what to do at that time. Ngiyasaba ukumbamba. Ngibona ngathi ngizomlimaza. Ngibona ngathi I didn't know. Lots of things were going through my mind at that time because I was still in shock. Bengazi ukuthi kuyenzakalani, bengekatholi that emotional support, and bengakazi ukuthi ngizodila nayo kanjani lento, because at that time the only thing I had to do was to stay strong for the situation, and bebangakang understandisi isimo ukuthi kuyenzakalani kumntana and what's going on, diagnosis besingakayitholi at that time. So at that time iba move, but you know what, we're gonna take it to specialists, because it seems that yena kwamanje yonke into right, she's drinking right, phefumula kahle on her own, some move nangapha ku high care, she's doing quite well. I was like, okay, kusho ukuthi maybe inyawo nje kuphela is a problem. So that's the first time I held her in my arms, day 4. So I was like, you know what, uNkulunkulu uzongidlulisa kule simo, and ngizondlula kiso. And I had to find means of being strong, and not only for myself but for umntwana.
For her as well, yeah.
Because you know abantwana banjani, Sisandi, when uyakhala umphethe yena smile yahleka.
Yeah, yebo.
So that's the thing, always mengimbheka bekangibheka smile ahleke. You know, I couldn't understand what you don't know what's going on right now around you, ukuthi kuyenzakalani awazi. It's just us manje ne confusion nokuthi manje yini lento and mele sidile nayo kanjani. So at least when we got to the specialist at Joburg Jen, Sharon Maxega, it was much more calming, because at that time, you know, about dogs abadila ngazo lezi zinto lezi, they were quite, no, it's fine, my darling, she'll be fine. I was like, she'll be fine, okay. But in my head, I'm like, what are these people talking about? She'll be fine kanjani, because yohlala nami lo mntwana akayi kohlala nabo. So yime ngiyodila nale situation, not born. But not knowing ukuthi they know this. I remember Professor wakhe wangitshela something, what, do not treat her any special, and treat her as normal as possible. And wangitshela day 1 wathi ungamisi nasesikoleni sabantwana aba special, because miss njena esikoleni sabantwana aba normal, because it's just her legs, it's nothing else. She will continue, she'll be bright, she'll even be brighter than kids born with normal legs. I was like, okay. I didn't understand it at that time because I was still confused.
Bayibizani diagnosis yakhona?
I-diagnosis yakhona, it's called hemimelia.
Oh, hemimelia.
Hemimelia. So it's either your toes are more or less. So naseingalweni nakhona iba khona.
Laba bazala bengena ingalo.
Yes. So it's either ingalo or either inyawo. So kuntokozo yaba inyawo.
Bathi bangwa yini bayakutshela?
At that time, they were still going to run tests, because at that time, they told me ukuthi I was aborting the child.
How?
Yeah, did you try and abort the child? I was like, no. If I wanted to abort the child, I should have aborted the first one, because I was still in school. Then I was like, okay. So cases like this happen like that. I'm like, how? No, I didn't do anything such like that, because I planned this child. I planned her. Because mengiyeka amapilisi wokuhlaba besengazi ukuthi sengiready for another child. It's not like she was not planned. So at that time, the question was like that, because even a genetics team, when they told me ukuthi if you would have found out ukuthi umntana, or in cases like this, umntana mewathola ukuthi une condition of some sort while you are still pregnant, you are allowed to terminate. So I was like, okay, but nothing through
azange wabone mos ama-scans awavezanga next yeah.
So akekho umuntu owabona. So how could I terminate something I didn't know of? So I was like, no, in future, if something happens like this, you should know ukuthi kunothi umntana umlethe ezweni anje. You should rather take the option of terminating the pregnancy. So I was like, okay, that's news to me. But I do not believe in such things because I know ukuthi njengoba sisho ukuthi every child is a blessing.
Yeah.
I knew ukuthi uNtokozo nayo she was gonna be a blessing in my life. Even though I was paranoid because I was paranoid of ukuthi uzokhula kanjani. I was already planning like 5 years ahead ukuthi from now onwards until ngizohlela kanjani ebathroom mele kube njani la hamba khona mele sifake icarpets ngoba uzohamba kanjani because the chances of her ukuthi asukume we didn't know. The chances of her ukuthi for crawling we didn't know. And we were not sure because our doctors were estimating ukuthi maybe she might use her bums to crawl.
Okay.
Then rather use her knees because from edolweni phansi unethambo liyi-1 akana-2 njengawonke umuntu. So from ithambo lelo we were not sure ukuthi lizoba strong enough, lizoba weak or what. So washocka kakhulu ke nalapho because at the age of 7 months uNtokozo was crawling.
You're lying.
I'm telling you. Ntokozo childhood, like from early child development, even her teeth started growing very fast. Let me tell you. From her teeth coming out and not even getting sick at that time. I would just, how? 7 months, bese 7 seasons tukusukuma.
Zingekho
inyawo enjalo. Because she was using this 1 foot leli abalishoyo ukuthi it tried to grow. Bekama ngalo. Bese leli elinganalutho ebeliyinyawo nje kuphela bekalimisa. Kuba ngathi aligoba. But in softer surfaces like ku carpets bekama nje kahle. Ebutshanini bekama kahle. Mekuceda ukunetha imvula uNtokozo beyangakhambela ngamadolo ukuhamba ahamba abuye. So she was amazing. She shocked even the doctors. Let me tell you, when I found a professor yakhe, because like I don't know, even the doctors, like experience Ntokozo, even the doctors were friendly. I don't know how. But everyone was just nicer. Everything was just smoother. Professor Wakangega mafunda wake was, if anything happens, just call me. So when that happened, I was like, Doc, just help me out.
At this stage, I'm assuming you're concerned now.
I'm concerned. I'm like, we are humble, we are suguma. And she's using things to walk. And she's 7 months. She's like, are you joking? I'm like, yes, I'm not joking. This is for real. I can even send you a video right now.
And normal kids, abangangai, they don't do those things.
They don't.
Abanye bathatha kuzokuphela 12 months umntwana engasukumi.
Lord, Ntokozo was already doing that. I remember when the doctor called me in, you know what, come next week Thursday. I need to see this.
Yes,
I need to see this. I was like, okay, I'll bring her in. Therefore, I remember we 27 or something. The minute I walked in, bonke, but they left their practice rooms. They went to come and see. Others were with their keys. Yeah, come now. But for more, like, is she crawling? Is it true? Go there. I'll stand here. We were doing that. There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There were doctors in the rooms. They just wanted to see this. I was like, okay, fine. Just be busy with him. Because now I'm relaxing. Because I see what you know.
And ngishokile wena yadlula.
Ingishokile mina yadlula because manje you know what ungishokhe ngelinye ilanga. I just want to say this. After that uNtokozo she became independent. She became very independent. Like she didn't need me ukuze ngimenzele izinto. And the way njengoba bengisho ngithi I was stressing ngizama ukuthi maybe ngithi hayibo asilungisene endlini hey kungayihleli kumele angalimali kumele yabona like all of those things like baby proof the house. Hi uNtokozo like did the opposite. I remember when she started potty training. Bengibeka ipotty yakhe next to the toilet just to make things simple for her. But njalo mengifika next to the toilet mekabuya ebathroom the potty is clean. Ngizibuza umntana uchame kahle kahle ngoba angiboni la mina chame khona. So I have a sink next to the toilet then her potty. So I didn't see this until ngalunguza ngakoba.
Spy.
Ngifuna ukubona lento engifuna ukuyibona ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani la. Umntana was using the toilet to the sink to her maneuver ahlale sithini ngamadodlo njalo. I was shocked. Sisandi angifuni kamamanga. I was shocked ukuthi how can she do that? And you know what? Njoba ngisho ngithi amagama professor wakhe wafika game ukuthi she will do everything herself. And I was like, okay, now I see it because ekuqaleni I didn't see it. Bengicela ukhulumani like ngizoyenza mina.
Angisho when at the time you were frustrated ukuthi God, what are you giving me at this point?
Yeah, and you know njengoba basho bathi angeke kunike umthwalo odlula.
Yebo.
Yeah. She was doing things like herself. She was amazing me as well. Let me tell you, she amazed her physios as well. Her physios were like amazed with her progress. Megaqala, I remember when she got her first prosthetic legs. Bamenzela inyawo zakhe zokuqala when she was 2. Azoqala ukuhamba ngazo ke manje because asho sekajwayele ukuhamba ngamadolo.
Yeah.
Sibuyela back to manje isibhedlela azalula khona so yenza physio ngithi no because Joburg Journey is too far to go for physio and physio is just an hour. Bathi ke ngcono uze ngapha ngaso okay fine it's fine I'll go there because it's much more closer to Endlini. So I used to go there for a physio. Bamlwela asho bayamkhumbula manje. I treated her. No, she's my baby. No, I was with her go high care. Like bebamlwela.
Wow, yeah.
Bebamlwela so much. The students there, they loved her. They loved her too much. So then physio yakhe. At that time she was she was not in the position that she's in right now, but she told me, which you know what? Bantwana bafana noNtokozo, they won't need like physio that much because herself she wants to walk
Flexible nje uyayifuna kuyenza yonke lento enziwa.
uyafuna ukuhamba ngisho and uhlala nibona nihamba ngisho uzoyenza lento and she will make it happen. That's okay. She'd not like a week was too much for her for a physio and we were done. Already she was not balancing nge walker. She walker le besahamba ngenyawo. I was like, okay. Yeah, that's uyangiphinda futhi lo mntana. Like uyangiphinda futhi uyangishock. Le eyenze ku professor ngokcrawler nak manje uyenza ngokuhamba. That was the age of 2 years. And let me tell you, she was remarkable because I remember umntana ngathi you know what at that time ithi ngimqale manje ngimjwayeze abantu ngamise crash. Bengimise crash kaso abakamjwayeli. So this one boy wamhleka mega keeping yawo because manje she had to remove her legs mega gibela ku jungle gym. Yeah,
okay.
So because now she's flexible ngamadolo yabo, she doesn't want to. So manje iyagibela ku jungle gym but before agibela ushiya le nyawo phansi. But abangani bakhe laba bese girls like adapt quickly than boys. So then the girls were like, no, they even help her to take off her feet. So this one boy, mega mhleka kasona, mega keeping yaw. Uyamiyeka. And listen, this angibon ngiqoqelwa uye makafika esikolweni.
Usenangaki at this time?
She was 2.5.
Okay.
Uyangicocela uthi this one boy yangihleka mama, and listen what happened. Bekaceda ke nena ukugibela ku jungle gym, bekathi uyawa ku slide. Ha. And again I mean ngayenzani azange mhleke mama, ngayehla ku slide, ngabuya ngambamba ngathi yabo. Kuba bone inyawo ezifana nezami, kuba wanga manje.
She's too special, damn man.
You know what? I didn't know whether to laugh or whether to cry.
A lesson for the boy.
A lesson for the boy. Ukuthi yabona manje ubungihleka mina uhleka lezi zami ikhishiwe ezibekela eceleni and mina ngiwanga ngazo. Kuba wena onenyawo eziphelele. Wathi yabo manje kuba bezikhipheka kuba wanga manje mfo and wamsukumisa. The way anobuntu ngakhona.
I'm telling you, uNkulunkulu akuniki ngempela into ezokuxaka. Mantokozo sihlangana uma ulwa noSasa.
Yeah.
Sihlangana mawulwa noSasa, you have been up and down because now Sasa does not recognize ukuthi umntwana is physically challenged.
Yeah, according to Sasa, or according to the doctors at Sasa, should I put it like that? Because my first encounter was when she was 2 months. Uqala kwami Sasa, udoctor laphayana megazom assessor. Uthi kimi umntanakho angihlalise phansi. Athi ke umntanakho normal. She will not need or she will be able to walk in future as a normal person. Okay? So ungamangali ange akaqualify. Okay? So ungamangali mosofika late skin because labo sisabayo oyo keeper give file yibo bazokutshela ukuthi uya qualify or not, and they will be able to tell you that. So mntana kaga qualify because according to me and what I've seen, mntana ku normal. So that was 2 months. So I was up and down because manje I didn't understand the phrase of normal. Because at that time umntana ngiyamguga. Umntana when I have to buy pants for her, njalo megabuya zinembobo. Because manje uhamba ngamadolo.
Yes.
Umntana megabuya anytime she would go out ayodlala because uthanda ukudlala.
Nazi nenyawo zokufakelwa nazo futhi nazo zama cost are extra, which shows ukuthi udinga extra supports.
Yeah, but they are saying to me normal.
Sure.
So I went up and down, going back and forth to Sasa. Okay, fine. There are reasons ukuthi amaform akhona, marumuntu akhona wa distributor yakekho. Ubuyele futhi ngelinye ilanga kuthiwa buye. Ubuyele futhi ngelinye ilanga kuthiwa ukhona umuntu mara amaform awekho. Hawu kanjani? So okay, fine. Ujike futhi. Ubuyele futhi kuthiwa hayi COVID, asidili ngedisability. Okay. Futhi nje nabantwana bedisability abangeni sis ungene kanjani nomntana? How? Okay, that is when I gave up. Since Sunday, that was 2020, I gave up. Ngasitshela ngathi you know what, ithi ngeke because manje ngihlezi ngiza la. But kuhlezi nje kuneyinkinga zakhona. Whether wenze appointment utshelwa ukuthi abantu be appointment bafike ekseni. But I made an appointment, social worker lifonile la khuluma nomuntu othile, ngiya kuleyo muntu loyo ngize ku appointment. Ujikiswe moso ujikiswe so drop ifone so fonela le social worker phela. Sebabona ngathi ufonela umuntu eyakubisa futhi line hayi sisi no ngena. How? Okay. Ubuyele futhi uthi uyozama ukuchaza udaba lakho phela ukuthi ayiphela ngithumele umuntu oso ngize kumuntu oso bakutshela ukuthi akafike. Oh, okay. Ukujika njalo lokho because kusho ukuthi njoba uze kuleyo muntu lo there's no other person okungakunceda manje ngoba uze ku appointment but bakutshela ukuthi kumele ufole. So ngiphinde ngibuyele futhi last year njoba ngizodibana nawe sisandi ngithi, you know what, ithi ngibuyela, but nakhona lots of people were telling me ukuthi kanjani umntana kanga qualify. People could not understand ukuthi kanjani. It didn't make sense to anyone. Like even professional people, physios, OTs, they were like, no, it doesn't make sense. Go back. So ngagcina sengithi let me just go back. Nakhona yabona ngishela ukuthi ithi ngiyozama futhi.
Uyalahlela nje.
Yeah, ithi ngiyozama futhi. Exameni kwami futhi ngishintshe ibranch nakhona ngiye kwenye ngithi maybe because lena bathi ingconywana esingiye kuyo. Again kwami kuyo I go to the next branch ngithi okay fine, the service was much more better. Ngibuyele bangitshele ilanga lokuassesswa bekuyi-3 zaka December ngibuyele. Sengihamba noNtokozo. I go there, I go and see the doctor. So Dr. Lese Sasa told me straight that your child is not a SASSA case.
Kanjani?
I did not understand that.
That's the part I've never understood. Dude, kanjani?
So she's not a SASSA case, meaning
Makantokozo, umuntu ongenayo ingalo akayiholi grant.
mina ngicakekile ngoba khona umuntu onganamuno mara uyakhola. So I couldn't understand the phrase she was using to me ukuthi umntanakho is not a SASSA case. So what is she? Because isasa ngisho iholela abantu aba-disabled. So what is my child categorized as? Because uthole normal grant. Because bathe unormal ngisho. So I must apply for a normal grant. Ngi-applyele umntwana wethola normal grant. But manje I fail to understand ukuthi akasi isasa case uyi case kaba if manje akasi le case yakasasa. So she told me straight ukuthi mele ngiyofile complaint yami to the institution labenza khona inyawo because ngikhala ngenyawo zomntwana.
Ufake complaint kwi-institution eyenza inyawo. You government.
Yep. So at that time ngiyamtshela ngithi the government legs leyo nje ngifuna uku-emphasize they are not strong enough. Inyawo lezi azikho strong. And at that time they told me straight ukuthi they don't have cases of children born without feet. So they don't have equipment and proper things to accompany her. Like is inyawo zakhe I used to buy them. I used to buy them ukuthi ngiyobanika bona equipment.
Sure.
So it's like manje mina mele kuze umntana amathole inyawo mele mina ngithenga inyawo kuze nginike bona equipment ukuze baz adjust bazokhona ukusebenza ngazo. So it was a challenge for me because manje ngaso sonke isikhathi when I needed ukuthi manje zishintshwe lenyawo because remember at that time Mrs. Sunday she was 2. So from 2 years to 2 years 6 months mele change. From 2 years 6 months until 3 mele change.
Zilingane nokukhula kwakhe neweight yakhe umntana mekakhula uba mude uba mkhulu ngomzimba.
Yes. So that time it was every 6 months lenyawo mele change. So remember ukuthi the timing meng apply for a disability grant yakhe and ngi-attenda ibhedlela as such as iBhara, iJoburg Gen for orthopedic. I'm attending iBhara for her prosthetics. I'm attending Far East Rand for physio and OT. So I'm taking her to the clinic because she must get Melai clinic nakon. So I'm attending all of those 4 hospitals at the same time in 1 month. So ngemali engeke accommodate naleyo ma cost. So at that time I remember even Professor wakhe makabhala ana 2 months asi I will emphasize ukuthi you are attending zonke le ibhedlela so you need this money for that for the cost for transportation kakhulukazi. So even if they do wanna fail you but babone la ngifake khona as
extra expenses. Yes.
Uyayidinga le mali for such things, not only for yourself but only for those things ezokhona accommodate umntana because at that time the only thing I could do was ukuthi umntana asola amapampers akuncelibisi sikhona ukuhamba nazonke lezinto. Because at each and every time, each and every month, there was something I had to do. And at that time, I remember the doctors did find out, I think she was about 6 months ago, she has a hole in her heart. So that was a scary part as well, that we had to go and check and bekumele futhi ngilinde because ulinda about 3 months for ukuthi uthole i-appointment for the cardio. So, yebo, I had to ukuthi ngilinde that 3 months to get an appointment from the cardio. But luckily, that hole in the heart, kusho ukuthi yele yavaleka as time went. Because we wanted to make sure that all of the other organs were fine before we come to indaba yakhe ukuthi athole inyawo. And even before that, ku 1 year 6 months, uNtokozo was amputated. So
kona lokho okuncane obekade kukhona kwavele bakususa.
Yes.
Bakususelana.
At that time, they were saying because manje lele linye inyawo lizophazamisa inyawo lezimezingena. It's going to be in the way because manje ligobile, libendile, libhekele. So manje mele balisuse. Ukuze lizokhona accommodate le nyawo ukuze lingene straight. Nangapha kule nyawo leli ebelingekho. Lo bones there was just one toe at that time. So bekumele basuse this toe because it was in the way. So they had to do amputation when she was 1 year 6 months. So we had to make sure zonke lezi zinto lezo, those holes, everything, genetics, everything was covered before we went through to amputation because ama-lungs wakhe as well had to develop fully in order for her to go under for a surgery.
Semncane nalomuntu ohlinzwa Nkosi yami.
Yeah.
She's been through a lot.
She's been through a lot. She's been through a lot. And let me tell you something. Untokozo was such a remarkable child. I remember when Megapoma go operation table because they said bazocala ngaye ekseni abazange basaqala ngaye but your operation room is too cold to do the op. So they needed to wait for it to just go to ifutumali because it's gonna take a while. So angeke abe ayenze operation kubantu umzimba amakhaza. So bamlindisa kancane. So wangena around about ngabo 9 because singene ngo7 laphayana saqala bayiqala iprocedure yabo ngo9. So mebaqala iprocedure yabo ngo9 bayenza. I think the other leg took longer. Just the other one with the toe, it was just 5-minute thing and just to stitch. But the other one, it had to maneuver because manje the bone needs ithambo leli ukuthi balisike kahle balgrind. So uthe makaqeda, I remember mesabasibiza ku recovery room. Untokozo, she was trying to wake up at the time, fighting to wake up and trying to call us. Okay, fine, we were responding, trying to like, hello, Nana. I remember when they were taking it out of the operation, Megasibiza, Snowbabak, where's Agit, was biz, Sasboni Sandless, Nana, Sisempeten, Nakusias.
This is a miracle.
Oh my goodness. Let me tell you, Romtana Wenzan. What's again, Mom, Baba? What's ka? Satika. Kaba bamhambisa bamise wotini. Ngithi wow. And that was assured ukuthi ngiright.
All right.
I was like, okay, that's nice because I've never gaze kwaya umuntu ku operation room ekhaya angiyazi le experience and then she just made it so easy for us. She made it so easy, let me tell you, even emotionally. Not the other way around because she showed ukuthi she's strong and she showed such life in such a way ukuthi everything that was bekusinde enhlizweni zethu bekuvele kuyahle all right.
Sure.
So isasa at that time Sisi all of those procedures nokuthi umntwana amputatiwe, they didn't consider it. And I know ukuthi umuntu meka amputatiwe uyahola.
Yes.
Umuntu meka
I know somebody onga amputatiwe ingalo washa nje semncane ingalo kwasha la ingasi iminwe ithe so iminwe igobile net so ayisebenzi uyahola lo muntu
Yebo.
and ngikhuluma ngomuntu ohola lo mali and uyakwazi futhi ukusebenza is working elsewhere uyahola nale mali.
You know, the first doctor was sasa megathi kimi she's normal, ne? Wathi kimi I must come back again once she has been amputated. Maybe she will get a chance.
Maybe.
Wathi but I'm afraid to not lose my license because angifuni ukubhala into engekho. Because angifuni ukuthi uyaqualify angaqualify umntana.
Into engekho ayibona ngamehlo wakhe naye.
Akho-ke. So elakhe lokugcina wathi kimi maybe I must come back after she's been amputated because was wangibuza nokuthi you amputate wanini. Ngathi kuye at that time I didn't know. It was still there was still like like plus minus mega na 1 because besingakabi ne shop because mega fika ku 1 year abo docs abathi no let's pull it through to 1 year 6 months. So that's when they did it. So ngabuyela futhi again njengoba ashilo ukuthi I must come back maybe once and kunalento futhi ukuthi first time I qualify goes to zo qualify.
Yeah.
So ngabuyela again njengoba it was unsuccessful because manje bebasitshela ukuthi ama-form awekho nomuntu wakhona o-distribute ama-disability form akekho. So last year u-doctor lo mekathi kimi my child is not a SASSA case. Let me tell you bengifuna ukhala because the manner of which she said it to me angiyithandanga and she was just
sensitive.
like you're one of the other people abasazongena la mnyango. You are not that important kahle kahle. So regardless of her seeing ukuthi umntwana kenzakalani ngaye, regardless of seeing her in front of her, she did not care.
Sure.
Because the first words she said to me ukuthi umntwana is not a SASSA case. So going through that ngiyekile kancane angifuni uqamba amanga ngiyekile uDecember ngathi no let me just give it a break and just see ukuthi what should I do because I was trying to contact amaphepha. I was trying to contact amaphepha because Ntokozo was uvelile to some magazines. So I was trying to contact them mayelana nalolo daba ukuthi manje I have an issue lana manje.
Mhlambe they can push it can ukuvela emaphepheni can actually change their minds somehow.
Yes. Ukuthi manje what happened good manje because at that time Sisandi mina I didn't know ukuthi mawuceda ukuphuma eSASSA if your application has been denied kune letter oyitholayo. Mina I didn't get those letters. To show that there was something suspicious that was happening. I did not receive any letter from SASSA even when I was going out to say ukuthi umntana kaga qualify.
Bekuvele kushiwo nje ngomlomo kuphele kanjalo.
Kanjalo nje ngomlomo kuphele kanjalo ngiphumbe ngihambe phelele lapho.
From the age of 2 you are fighting indaba kaSASSA ukuthi umntana ahole igrant yakhe. How old is she now?
She is currently 8 years old.
Uyahola manje.
ISASSA after that as ngiyilwile indaba yakhona we went I went viral Sisandi. Ngayiposta indaba yakhe ngabuza. So it happened ukuthi manje people were coming to me saying that we are willing to help. You can come through. Asambe nawe SASSA sokhuluma nabo sofuna ukwazi ukuthi kenzakalani. Of which is sahamba saya SASSA sathola imanager the first time. Manager called his manager as well. Wasifaka ku loudspeaker and we told him that we need your directors. We need your directors. We need to speak to them on behalf of Lomtana because we don't understand what's happening ngalindaba yomntana because umama umntana usakatholi incwadi eshoyo ukuthi umntana akaga qualify and of which is this is not the first time eza eSASSA for indaba yomntana ukuthi ufuna apply and they are saying akusi case yaka SASSA and of which is the manner of which is it is respect also to the mother that the doctor did. They did not like it. I didn't like it. So now, director SASSA came to the meeting the following. Sayo review amanje ifile. application.
Yeah.
When we reviewing the file, something remarkable happened. Umntana was not denied, according to them. She was not denied. That's me asking, kanjani? Esasa, angazi basebenza kanjani, but kunale ncwadi yabo, sheet spread yabo, abayisebenzisayo. On the sheet spread, there are a question and answer. So they have to just tick yes or no.
Okay.
So, is the child disabled? She
Yes.
ticked a yes. Does the child need additional devices? She ticked a yes. All of the other things, the questions that were going below, she ticked yes.
Ukhiyewa kephi?
Ukiyeka lapha hansi. On does the child need a care dependency grant? She ticked a no. How? He was also confused because manje, at the time, it looked like I was the wrong person. It looked like mina ngilwela into engekho. It looked like manje ngizolwa. And of which is ngizolwa, but manje the problem is I couldn't understand what was happening. And now themselves, when they were reviewing the file, they were also shocked because manje they did not know what to say to me. So their answer to me was, sorry, Sisi, there's an error that the doctor made.
Enkulu kangaka. For so many years.
So sorry, Sisi, there's an error that the doctor made. So me asking them, ukuthi angisho udoctor lo muntu. And you just said to us right now, where you teach them ukuthi isasisebenza kanjani before bazo nizobangenisa la.
Yeah.
So she definitely knows umsebenzi wakhe. And she knew mekazothika labo yes, because if it's a yes from above, it must be a yes until the end. Because kusho ukuthi leyo muntu qualify. But if it's a no from the top, it's going to be a no until the bottom. So how can it be a yes from the top and no at the bottom? So I was just told that, go to sorry, it was an error that the doctor made. But I shall ask her, ukuthi kahle kahle, yes or no lo sekugcineni. Ngithi yes or no, but she wrote ku-other. She wrote a comment also. Ukuthi umntana needs further assessments from physio and OT. Meaning ukuthi she does not specialize or she does not qualify to assess a person like Ntokozo. So manje ayikho into
Okuwukuthi physio ekwakumele iapprove ukuthi umntana ahole igrant yokukhubazeka.
yes, not a doctor, not a
Okusho
not
ukuthi
a
leya
GP.
form ayizange refer you to the right person, which is a physio.
Yes.
But till today umntana akaholi.
Let me tell you, Sithando sami, umntana yazini kuthiwa kimi, okay fine, mele kubizwe iphysio osikahle. I was supposed to be given another appointment ukuze ngizo assesswa iphysio ne OT. So I was not given another date. I was not given any letter ukusho ukuthi umntana uyadeniwa. I was not called, not even called, a simple phone call ukuthi man buya. Nothing was done until I did post that video of Ntokozo ukuthi angifuna uku-understand ukuthi kwenzakalani ngesasa ngoba umntana bathi unormal akusi case yakasasa. If I did not do that, and they wouldn't have reviewed i-case yaka Ntokozo, uNtokozo right now kube uhleli akakaholi. So now they are coming back to me and saying ukuthi umntana they will backdate imali yakhe. Backdate imali yakhe from when? No, let's go check. So manje on their record they have E3 lezaka December. So manje go review her back from the time she first or initial application,
From the age of 2 years.
from the age of 2 months.
Oh yes, 2 months,
2
sorry.
months. So then when they try and review or check the case, number one, the director, I'm sorry to say this, or he says to me, yeah, now by 2017, because Ntokozo was born 2017, bekangakasebenzi esasa. So meaning that from a case from from 2017
2017
yena
till-
ucela ukusebenza from 2018, meaning he was not going to address izinto ezenzeke
Engekho
before
yena.
engekho yena. So elami lithi
Kuye
okay
kube
fine.
njalo?
Nakho-ke ngibuza ngithi kanjani, because yena he was making an example right now of i-umbrella, ukuthi i-umbrella, if one franchise is in one umbrella, they cover the whole franchise. Ngithi mina, you just made an example right now of a franchise, so meaning ukuthi wena mawuthi kimi you're not going to review indaba yaka 2017 because ucala ukusebenza 2018 esasa, that means indaba yaka 2017 nayo ingeni. Athi no, let me just call la bekaya khona ecaleni la owayenza application khona, bafonele khona ba-check-e kufunwe i-file, the file is missing, it could not be found.
Wow.
I was like, okay. So then now, when do we backdate this money? Because now, according to them, because manje umntana was receiving normal grant, kuyafanele ukuthi bayibhatalile bona according to them. So manje,
Kwazi phela, that's normal grant akuyona le kufanele ngabe uyayithola.
so manje into abayishoyo, they are saying to me they're gonna backdate the money from December. They called me again after that to ukushintsha manje. So izoshintsha manje isasa yakantokozo from a normal grant to a care dependency grant. Okay.
Which is still not a disability grant, by the way.
Let me tell you.
Abantu ngicela bakubambe lokho ukuthi there is a care dependency grant, there is a disability grant, and there is a child grant, right?
Yes.
Azifani lezi zinto zoyi-3.
Azifani.
Untokozo ubelonga kule disability because une condition.
Yes.
Le angakaze ayithole ever since azalwa.
Listen to this. Kena mebasichazela again according to them. Untokozo nje, she was getting a child grant. That's the normal grant. Then now sekafola under a care dependency grant, meaning ukuthi manje as a mother I am caring for her. And manje ngibhekene naye, I see to her needs. Njengoba ngisho ngithi esikoleni I go whenever there's a problem, ukuthi inyawo liphukile, inyawo libendile, there's a screw ephukile, I need to go and fix all of those things. So manje, because of that, ufola under a care dependency grant. So then elamilithi, then disability ingena kuphi? Disability according to isasa iqalwa ukhola from the age of 18. Nami I was shocked, I didn't understand it.
From the age of 18?
From the age of 18. Umuntu mekasuka khola from azalwa usuka khola imali yabogogo. Not even care dependency.
18 manje.
Nazo-ke. It's a lot. Now I had to process it because manje let's understand ukuthi manje i-procedure yabi isebenza kanjani. So disability grant isebenza after umntana, because manje mayakana 18 iyaphela bayenquma bayevala. So from the age of 18 mela angene under disability ukuze izokhona ukumprolonga, because according to isasa they need to assess and check ukuthi umuntu has not, or a situation has not deteriorated, kusho ukuthi yele ayehla,
Balinde ukuthi situation is deteriorate before baze benze something.
yes. So they said to us, we even have it even in records and even in minutes, ukuthi kahle kahle umuntu mengabe at the age of 18 mesangena kule disability le ezomlast until phela azayaguga or kwenzakalani azahambe emhlabeni. It is assessed as well, and it is reviewed every after 3 or 5 years. Ukuze ba check ukuthi umuntu uyakhopha or ubangcono. Mega bangcono nakhona bayevala. So,
which is understandable, but in your case, akazayithole at all. No review has been done. Ever since we applied le mali wehla unyuka was uyithole, we went for an appeal. You brought in the directors, still awukaze uyithole.
so then bathi kimi as time progresses kusho ukuthi umntanakho siyamfaka manje under care dependency grant, but uzothola imali yakhe from December. from la udoctor bekumele assign off lo yes until manje.
ngeke isa backdatewa iqala izo backdatewa only a couple of months till December lowa ku correctwa lowa yes lowa ya
Yes, loya oye obe i-error. Kahle kahle.
sho yazi
So-
eningi into
Yebo i-error futhi ebangwe yibo ngilento engisho yonke lento le because it was such an unnecessary process if lento le iyelunga from the start. If njena they had done it from the start bengeke ngabe siyazana namhlanje.
nalo care dependent intontoni ngabe awuphumanga ukuba akuzange silwe le yampe sayilwa kuze kufikelela la
Yebo.
esingekho happy till namanje and I know ukuthi baningi abantu ekhaya who might be facing the same problem
There are a lot, my darling. There are a lot. Let me tell you
hayi
something.
ngeke usasasichaze ukuthi basebenza kanjani sesidinga i-education ke yakasasa ukuthi kahle kahle umuntu onjani ohola i-disability grant umuntu onjani ohola i-care dependency grant because remember according to usisi lo wayesize ngengimmention she mentioned ukuthi you should also be earning i-grant eshoyo ukuthi wena because now you can't work you are supporting umntana because une-condition ekumele uhleze uclose mangabe khona into eyenzakalayo kuyena like you are mentioning ukuthi each and every time khona into ephumayo lapha you have to be closer isikole siyakufonela umntana njani screw kufanele ugijima uyobona ukuthi kwenzakalani you should be earning that money untokozo should be earning i-disability grant yakhe naye
So according to them, khona le grant leyo, leyo bayifaka under intandane.
oh
Yes, according to them, bayifaka under intandane if you have no parents, like no mother, no father, when yourself as umntana or disabled, you can get that.
i-care dependency
No, it can depend uyayithola as umzali.
eyiphi entsha-ke le manje leyasebeza nayo ukuthi kufanele leyo eyeyintandane eyiphi ibizwa ngani ke
Le
le
oshoyo usisi le asichazela ngayo.
Eh.
Mengiyithola yilena eholwa yintandane.
but leyo iyi-foster nje everybody knows that one
Yeah, so according to them even nale yama packages yama grocery ithola abantwana abayintandane and you can only apply if uthola i-normal grant, not a dependency and not a disability. It doesn't fall under that.
Mangantokoza I think ukuthi we'll need upart 2 walelo khonjana wale episode because yayibona ukuthi inde kanjani and ngicela umuntu osebenza kasasazo siphendula nkosami makhona kuma comment section kwenzakalani iyona iphi abantu into ekufanele bayenze umuntu ozalwe enokukhubazeka okukhona emzimbeni uhola nini is it 18 years is it makazalwa uba normal yabona leka normal yona engiqedayo ke lothi kuthi umntana unormal into enjani normal umntana amputated
Yeah, you know, I think they themselves do not understand their own procedure. Because serious, if they knew and if bebayenza into efanayo, wonke amasasa bebayenza into right. But manje because they do not understand their own procedure as well.
Khambisani, ngala benza okunye,
Akhambisani,
ngala
abanye
benza
benza
okunye.
okunye. So bekuyoba nento right kasasa and abantu noma abantu abakhubazekile bebazothola okudingakalayo kwabo
uyabo
okufanele ngesikhathi esifanele futhi.
it's true
But manje because their procedures I understand nathi is confusing, I don't want to lie. That is why manje we are sitting in this situation right now. That is why we are sitting with minutes now. Have to write minutes kumele manje senza amalutuzane and follow ups after that because manje kule mali le care dependency ne. Let me tell you sis Sandy. Bama inase imali yabo le normal grant. Yomntwana. So njengoba untokoze bekathola normal grant after that. Bama inase leyo mali leyo. And into engicakayi i-director yesasa meyithi kibo ni valeleni i-normal grant ngasikhathi a-applya i-disability. Babamba bayeka. Babamba
kwaze
yaba
kwakuningi kasasa
so
Nkosi yami
ngiyacakeka lapho ngoba ubuza mina ukuthi ivaleleni i-normal grant yomntana
kumele ngabe ubuza abasebenzi bakhe nje
yes
wena uzoyazi kanjani impendulo
ngize ngasho kuye ngathi hayi cha angisebenzi la babuza ngithe ngisajika ngisababuza bebaphenya amaphepha.
Ema Ntokozo, ngicela yabona our time is up. Ngicela ukuyigoqa for now. Let's make another time because it looks like there is a lot to unpack on this.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to lie. Nami, it was shocking. It was shocking. It's new to me, and it's shocking.
Our government departments, guys. Sure, Mara Ntokozo, umuntu kwi-situation efana neyakho njengamanje ungam-advise uthini?
Sisandi, I know there's a lot of people that are going through my situation and a lot of people that are still going through the similar situation. I know of a girl, mtanakhe akahamba akakhulumi. Akakayitholi naye umntana khona 8 ulingana noNtokozo and akasitholi space even esikoleni. So I know, seriously, I know of people that are going through us. Konomunye une problem is spine. But ntshele straight sasa ukuthi come back when you're in a wheelchair. So
Uzoyithenga ngani i-wheelchair engenayo ne-grant?
yes. So you know the thing I would like to advise abantu ukuthi stand up. That's the one thing I want to say. Stand up for yourselves. If you are the person living with a disability, if you are a child or you have a family member that's living with a disability, stand up for the person. Go to ISASA. Make noise about it. Because when you try and make noise, they try and like, no, ningaras. But this is the time to make noise. But understand, no, this is not right. If I did not make a noise on Ntokozo, if Ntokozo, I did not get to the situation, even though it prolonged until the age of 8, but at least it made a difference today. At least Sarakali looked at imali yakhe it dependency grant.
Hi. Asifalelise for now, for today.
Yeah.
We'll sizonibona futhi with this story. Kumele siqhubeke ngoba si deep. Sinama layers nje amaningi adinga ukunpackwa. If angazi ngenza kanjani uma kungathiwa singathola umuntu wakasasa ongasiphendulela. I so wish we could find a way to have abantu abakulaba departments ke basichazele kahle kahle sifundiseke ngoba kusho ukuthi kuyacaca phela ukuthi asifundisekile.
Yep.
Makantonto asivalelise for now sithanda sami.
Nisalini kahle, ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngiyabonga ithuba, ngiyabonga itheku.
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Another time because we do need more to unpack more.
Yeah, thank you so much.
We don't want to end up with an episode that's about 3 hours and then igcininga sa understand ukuthi biqale kephi yafika kephi. So let's rather put it here for today. For now, next time let's try and get lezi zikhulu zakasasa mhlambe khona into esidinga ukuyazi esingayazi ngempela ukuze kusizakale nabanye abasemakhaya abasenkingeni efanayo.
Yeah.
Yebo.
Thank you so much, sis.
Yeah.
Ngiyabonga.
From me, for now, love and peace. Bye. Hello, sanibona nidumelang igama uZandi isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalwela lwezibhekane zona esihambela le kude phezulu. Do join.